During the winter season, everybody using mostly sweaters and jackets. Let me show you three kind of sweaters how we will make the ironing inside the shop, and if it is useful for you guys, you can make inside the home as well. Let me introduce the fabrics, and let me show you. This is the cotton. This is the cotton one. First one is cotton one. Second one is papaya sweater. So third one is knitting one. So let me show you. Okay, let's go to the video, and we will watch these three kind of sweaters how we will make ironing proper way without damage the fabric. These three kind of sweaters we need to press the layer with hand, and we need to make the streams each and every sweaters. This is the final finishing by the cloth former. You can make hanging and making like this streaming, then it's coming finishing over the puffer jacket as well. All the stream proper way, underside and upside. Make it all the way like this streaming, then final finishing coming like this. We are using industrial product, but you can use the streams as okay. How to iron sweaters at home? Let me explain. Steam hand ironing at home. You can use what we did in the videos, some tricks that you can use when you ironing the sweaters at home. It's very easy and perfect. I hope when you watching the videos, three kind of sweaters how we will make inside the shop using industrial product, you get some ideas, some knowledge about that. If you have hand iron like steam hand iron inside your house, so that you can use the tricks what we did in the video, then that is useful for you when you are ironing. Thank you very much. When you watching the videos, I encourage you please subscribe. Then once you subscribe, you can see our all the videos. This is all about the life hacks and useful for daily basic life. Thank you very much, and see you on next video.